Okay, I'm getting ready to sand this right now and to detail this out. So I just wanted to show you how I sand this and detail it out. I'm going to turn the fan on in here, so it's going to be a little loud, so I can just draw the dust and the dirt out of here, because I don't want the dust and dirt to come this direction. I want everything to go that direction. So bear with me a second. So what I like to use mainly is this. And this, by the way, is 150 grit paper. It's not, I usually use a 120, but I have a whole roll of 150, so I've been using that lately. The dust is going that way. The rest of this I'll sand later. I just want to show you what I'm doing here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the tearaway away. And when I do that, I want to pull it this direction, this side this direction. I'm going to pull this side this direction. And it takes off that little extra mud that you don't want there. And now I'll do some nice final sanding. Now understand, there's a little hole in here. It's going to need a little spot of caulk when you're painting this. You shoot a little bit of caulk in there. So peel this and watch the stuff fall. See the stuff falling? All right. And it made it nice and clean. All right. And now some of you guys might just take your sand pole and sand it now. I always like to sand it before I peel the stuff, and then fine sand it with a little sanding sponge, because I don't want to over sand this. I really don't. That is just beautiful. So and like I said before, I'm not too concerned around here, because they're going to come in here with a drill bit and we're going to drill a bigger hole so they can put these light cans in. All right, so that's it. You want to see a close-up? Here. Oh, a close-up of the angle. Want to see a close-up of the angle? Let's see what we can do here. Whoop. Have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.